Hello friends, welcome to our channel Day Traders Lab. As usually, today's our agenda is what is the performance of the this week of Nifty and Nifty Bank, and who are the gainers and the losers of the week in Nifty and Nifty Bank, and what is the next levels of support and resistance for the Nifty and Nifty Bank for the next week. Let's get started. Yeah, this is the Nifty performance of the week from 19th October to 23rd October, and as you see on to 19th October it is on the good start of the week, and it is gained 1110 points, and as you see this is a volatile market on the day as well. And on the 20th October, as you see this is a very flat market, but it is looks flat, volatile market, and ended up with the 23 points and gain. And on 21st October it is a very high volatile market. This is the reached as the highest point of the week, that is 12,018, and at the higher levels it has sold, and at the lower again people bought it. So that's why this is very high volatile market, and it is ended up with the 40 points gain. And on 22nd October it is very flat, if you see, but it is very high volatile market, and it is ended up with 41 points down. And at the last session on 23rd October it is ended up with gain of 33 points. And overall market looks this week is very high volatile market, and this week Nifty has opened at 11,879, and which has made low 11,775 and high 12,018, and finally closed at 11,930, and with the gain of 167 points compared to last week. And if you see the Nifty Bank, so this is, as you see, this is the good momentum uptrend in the Nifty Bank for this week. And on the 19th October this is ended up with a huge gain 733 points, and on the 20th October it is gained with flat, and it is gained 45 points. And 21st October it is a very high volatile market, as I said, even Nifty as well, and here market sold at higher levels, again bought at the lower levels, and finally 21st October it is ended up with 323 points gain. And 22nd October it is a very high volatile market, and it is a loss of 150 points on a whole day on the 22nd. And 23rd October it is very flat at finally, but it is ended up with 5 points loss. On overall, Bank Nifty opened at 23,902, which has made low 23,754 and high as 24,823, and finally closed at 24,478 with a gain of 945 points compared to the last week. And you see the these are all the top gainers and losers of the week in Nifty. And Britannia is loss top loser as loss of 7.4 percentage, and Hero Motor it is 7% down, and HR Motors is the 3.88 percentage down, and UPL is the 3.4% down, and Cipla 3.43 percentage, and Vedanta is the top gainer of the week, and with gain of 10.38. and next Bharti Airtel is 8.15 percentage, Tata Steel is 7.52 percentage, NTPC is 7.4 percentage, and Axis is 7.37 gain. On overall, Britannia is the top loser, and Vedanta is the top gainer of the week in Nifty. And if you see the top gainers and losers in Bank Nifty, and we say there are no loss losers in the Bank Nifty this week, but we could say this is the minus 0.18%. This is the top loser in Punjab National Bank, and IndusInd minus 0.02, that is very least negligible. And Axis Bank is the top gainer of the week in Nifty Bank, and Federal Bank 7.28 percentage, and Bank of Baroda 7%, ICICI Bank 5.26 percentage, and Yes Bank 5.14. And overall the top gainer of the week in Nifty Bank, it is Axis Bank. Yes, and this is the very important going to be for the next week, and these are the what is we will be here discussing what are the important levels and which way, if the important level cross is there above or below, what is the next resistance support for this next week. So we'll be discussing it, and before going further, please watch this video till the end, and if you feel this is interested and useful, please like and comment, and definitely please subscribe. Okay, let's get into the topic and proceed. For the next week, 26 October to 30th October, so what are the important levels for the what are the next resistance and support levels for in Nifty? So this is the 11,000. So previously right now it is closed at 11th, I mean last week, this week it is closed at 11,930, and these are the important levels 11,820 and 11,940. This is the levels which will decides to whether this will move uptrend or downtrend. So if it is crosses above, I mean is sustained above, what are the next resistance levels? We'll see. The first resistance is 12,050 if it is sustaining above 11,890 to 11,490. basically it is, if it is 11,940 above, then the first resistance is 11,050, and this if it is sustaining 12,050, and the next resistance 12,150 and 12,350 and 12,500 and go on. So these are all the resistance need to be sustained one by one. These are all the resistance for the Nifty for the next week if sustains above the 11,940 levels, and if sustains below 11,890, what are the next support levels? The immediate support is 11,800, and below that, so 11,650, 11,400 and 11,200. These are all very important level. Each level the market can anytime it can come either reverse based on the market moments at that moment. So we will have to take a positions and we have to take entry and exit. So as you see, overall this is the support and resistance for the next week, important levels in Nifty. So you have to take entry when based on the market moment, based on the current updates on that particular day, at that particular moment you have to take position, entry and exit. So these are all the important levels for Nifty: 12,050, 12,150, 12,350 and 12,500 and gone. These are all the resistances, and if sustains below important levels 11,800, 11,650, 11,400, 11,200, these are all the resistances for the next week. And if you see for the Nifty Bank, so let's see what are the next, I mean important levels and the resistance and support levels. The important levels are 24,280 and 24,450 is the important levels, and previously is closed at 24,478, and if sustained above the 24,450 levels, the next immediate resistance is 25,000, and if sustains above 25,000, this is 25,400 is the next resistance, and 25,800, 26,500, I mean 26,500 is the respective resistances. In case what if 24,280 levels sustains below that, what is the next support? 23,800 and 23,300, 22,600 and 22,000. And overall, so if market sustain 24,450, the resistance at 25,000 to 26,500, and if sustained below 24,280, so 23,800 to 22,000, it can be sustained. I mean these are all the important support levels. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our Telegram channels, Day Traders Lab and Day Traders Pro Lab, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and please do subscribe on YouTube. Thank you so much.